Hi guys, so in this video we'll see how to set up a Chrome tab in on your newly installed, or you can just set up Moodle over the AWS. I have Linux 2023, and if I basically I try setting up, so this command will not work. That means Chrome tab will not install. So first thing I'll have to install it. Okay, so this is command I can use. Okay, so it's completed now. The second command I can go for this one. Start Chrome service. So after installation, you need to start Chrome service. Then you can enable it. Okay, so that is enable also. Now verify Chrome services. Verify them. Yes, it's active. Just a minute. So once it is active, now you are done with the setup. Now we can start installation. Setup is done. So you can start with verify Chrome services. I have done this one. Okay, so status verified done. Add Moodle Cron. So this is basically a command. So we need to run this one sudo run this. Okay, and here I need to paste what I need to paste. So this okay, so you can match the path like to PHP, then this is the command, and every 1 minute I need to run. So this need to add it here within that. Then you can save this one. Okay. So again, you can open and you can verify like this. So once you are done with, you need to verify Chrome. So sudo Chrome type this. Ideally, I should see whatever I have set up. So this is the one I just set up. And I can see the log. So let's see. And now you can verify from even your site. So I'm not going to verify this one because this is complete setup. So you can verify at your end. If you open your LMS, you'll find the last phone executed time. You can see there over the ad. So this is all from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.